Hey YouTube, what is going on? The printer guy here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Canon TR7020A. This printer has a lot of different functionalities, and for the price that you end up paying for this printer, it really ends up being worth it. Now, this is a wireless printer that's able to print, copy, and scan. Those are the basic functionalities that you want in a printer. Wireless because you're able to connect your mobile devices to this printer, and you're able to print directly from your mobile devices to this printer, making it really easy to get documents, photos printed. And yes, you can print photos with this printer, high quality photos at that. Now, this is the paper tray. It's 8.5 by 11, which is a pretty standard size, and then you can bring it down from there to the different sizes that you may need. You can hold about 200 sheets of plain paper in this paper tray, but you can also use other types of paper. You just won't be able to fit 200 of them, especially if it's thicker paper like photo paper or cardstock. This is your output tray. This is where the paper would come out, and this is your glass scanner. This is a standard glass scanner. For the main screen, you do have physical buttons that you use to get between different settings, different options within the printer. You can connect to Wi-Fi, you can check ink, you can do all kinds of things. It's a very basic setup, but really, if you're not into the touch screen and all the various settings that a printer may have, this really is going to do the trick for you. It's going to be all that you really need. You don't need more than this if you're doing basic printing. Even printing photos, this is going to be great for you. If you're copying, scanning, this is going to be just what you need. Now, if you have multiple documents that you're wanting to scan at one time, this printer does have an automatic document feeder, which is a really great feature on a lower level printer like this. Now, the automatic document feeder can be found at the top of the printer. This is actually the back input tray. So you have additionally from that 200 sheets of paper in the input tray that's on the bottom, you have this back input tray, and this is really going to be used for specialty paper, envelopes, photos. That's really where you're going to want to use that. And this is the automatic document feeder that I was talking about. It sits right on top of the printer. You fold it out, and this is where you're able to feed documents, and they're able to be scanned. And this is a double-sided printing and double-sided scanning printer. So you can do double-sided scanning with the automatic document feeder and double-sided printing with the printer function. All right, so those are all the basics you need to know about the Canon TR7020A. If you want more information or if you'd like to buy this printer, there's going to be a link down in the description below. You can pause this video, go down there, click that link, and get this printer for yourself. But that's really all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.